Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a box swap organized by my friend Sammy. She invited a bunch of us Disney YouTubers to collab on kind of a unique swap idea where basically we submitted our top 3 princesses or heroines, our top 3 villains, and our top 3 sidekicks, and then she randomly chose from those like each of one for our person. So for example, the person I gifted to, I got a princess, a villain, and a sidekick, and I had to curate a box themed to those characters, if that makes sense. So I have my box here. After you watch this video, please do go check out everybody else who participated in this swap. Make sure you go all the way through to find out who I sent to. I'm super excited to see how everyone did in this swap and what characters everyone got given, because obviously like that's kind of the surprise of this. And without any more chit chat, I'm gonna open this box. Okay, so a super cute inside. It's very colorful. It's got like purple and yellow, which kind of makes me think of Rapunzel. But I'll be honest with you guys, I don't remember what characters I put down for this. I feel like I put heroines, not just princesses, so I will be just as surprised by who's in here as you guys are. So she did leave me a little note, which 3 will it be, which I appreciate because we do send a lot of boxes, obviously, for all these box swaps, and you don't want to accidentally open one thinking it's for another swap, and then you're like, whoops. Okay, so I believe that this is the card. It says, which 3 will it be? It's very sparkly. Can you guys see all like the sequins? Oh, those are actual sequins. My husband's gonna kill me. So she said, hope you love your box. Love, Kelly at the Mickey Bunch. Kelly actually had me for a Dollar Tree craft swap a while ago. I'll link that video if you guys want to check it out. She did send me something that I'd never made before, so that was kind of fun. Okay, that's gorgeous. Okay, hang on. Okay, so the heroine that she got for me is Meg from Hercules, and she sent me this gorgeous art print. It's kind of like watercolored, but it's got really intricate details on it, and it's a beautiful depiction of a character that I absolutely adore. I do love Disney art. I actually had the idea the other day of using these for like folder covers and binder covers instead of just framing them all, just to have them in touches like in my classroom and stuff. So I think that might end up being what this one is used for, but I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Kelly. That's so pretty. I just want to know how people do that. Like, I know it's on the computer, but I don't know what it is. And then it's from a small shop, I believe, because it says XO Julia from Playtees. Playteesforyou@gmail.com. Oh, it's from Amazon. Okay, so this was ordered off Amazon, but it looks like it's like a very personal touch for an Amazon order. Okay, so there's no number or order. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we're gonna start with this because it's not wrapped. So it's a little cosmetic bag. It's super, oh my god, I'm sure you guys can see that. Do you see how like iridescent sparkly it is? So pretty. More Foozles, if Jasem's watching. We had an argument whether these are called Foozles with an F or Thoozles with a TH. And honestly, guys, I don't want you to tell me if I'm wrong, so please only comment below if I'm right. Thanks. I don't know what this is. I'm done. I'm done. That was the ugliest reaction I've ever had on YouTube, but okay. It's a bracelet. Okay, it's a bracelet, and it's kind of like the Alex and Ani, but I'm pretty sure this is from a small shop, but oh my god, is this gorgeous. Okay, it's Hocus Pocus. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I totally copied Erika for my favorite villains, and I said the Sanderson sisters, because if you guys are new to my channel, I have grown a borderline unhealthy obsession with Hocus Pocus. I actually literally bought myself something Hocus Pocus today, and it's like February, so no shame, only pride. Anyway, so it's a little dangly charm bracelet. It has like the book, a witch's hat, a broom, and then it's got this little charm that has the silhouettes of the 3 sisters, and it says, another glorious morning makes me sick. Erika, how is my acting? Okay. Oh my god, if that is not the cutest. And it's one of those bracelets where you can kind of like tighten it to your size, but oh my god. I will wear this all the time. I'm going to take it off for the video just so I'm not like jangling the entire time, but I will wear this all the time, not just Halloween, and I literally don't know that I could be more excited that I got something Hocus Pocus. Okay, moving on. Oh, by the way, and this was extra, like this did not need to be sent, but sweet Kelly, she was like, I'm gonna throw in a cosmetic bag. I love zipper pouch things because it's like more storage, and Lord knows if you've got kids, storage is pertinent. Okay. Okay, so I guess for sidekicks I said baby Pegasus, which, oh my god, yes. Again, I'm obsessed with baby Pegasus, specifically baby Pegasus. I know that sounds stupid, but like, I love Pegasus, but baby Pegasus? She sent me a patch, and this is actually from the parks. Oh my gosh. So I actually got a set of Emperor's New Groove ones for my husband for Christmas, and I'm still just so undecided what to do with them. Are you guys like that with stuff like this? Like, sometimes I just have that feeling of like, but once I use it, it's used. Like, I can't use it for anything else. But how cute would this be on a pair of ears? Like, baby Pegasus themed ears. I could even make them out of like denim. I'm pretty sure that's where this is gonna have to go. Thank you so much, Kelly. I absolutely love this. Oh my god, something just peeked out from the bottom and I can't. Okay, what is this? Let's see. It feels like a Funko. I've died. I've died of happiness. And I'm in heaven now. Kelly! Oh my god! Okay. Kelly got me the Sarah Sanderson Funko of her flying on her broom, and guys, I wanted these so badly and I refrained from buying them. Now obviously I'm gonna have to at some point pick up Winifred and Mary, but she got me Sarah. Sarah's like my person. Like, Sarah's my spirit animal. If you guys haven't seen all my Hocus Pocus videos on my channel, like, you gotta check those out. They're a hoot and a half, let me tell you. Wow, I'm 50. It's fine. Anyway, she sent me Sarah. She's looking absolutely gorgeous, and I freaking love her. This box is kicking my butt, Kelly. Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of magic. God. Yes, I play with my Funkos, in case anyone was wondering. She's perfect. Kelly, seriously, like, if I have not said thank you enough, like, thank you so much, because I'm dying right now. I'm having so much fun opening this, and it is just, oh my god. Sammy, good job. Good idea with this swap. Okay. Kelly, what did you do? You went way too big. Way too big. I'm sorry, I just need to pull it out because you guys are probably like, Sarah? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Kelly. Guys, she got me like the giant Loungefly bag of baby Pegasus and baby Hercules. Oh my god, you know what's so funny about this? I need a new backpack for school. Like, mine has been ripping and I've just been holding out because I love my bag so much, but this one's so great. Okay, inside we've just got like a neutral stripe pattern, but it does have like a sleeve for your laptop, and that is amazing. Oh my god, it's got two little pockets on the sides, and then it does have a zipper pouch in the front here, and actually the inside pattern is still baby Hercules and Pegasus. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Guys, you can't tell me, you cannot tell me that there's a cuter animal than baby Pegasus in Disney. Like, if there is one, I just don't believe it. I don't. I really don't. And trust me, that's hard because Disney animals are like the cutest thing ever. So, I can't. Oh my god. I'm hoping that's everything because this box kicked my butt. But let me double check. Nope, there is one more thing. God. Kelly, that's so sweet. She sent me a mask, and I know that seems like, okay, Sarah, why are you so excited about a mask? But no, I'm going to Disney World soon, and I'm so happy she sent. I don't have any Disney masks. All my masks are just like plain black. Oh my god, that's so sweet. And she just got me like a simple, I've never worn the Disney Parks one. I've been very curious what these are actually super comfortable. I'm actually really surprised. I kind of never bought these. Why am I still wearing it? I kind of never bought these because I always just assumed that it was going to be uncomfortable. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look, it's like classic. Okay, my camera cut out, but I wanted to show you guys a close-up. Look how sassy Minnie looks on this mask. I absolutely love it. I had to like compose myself because I'm like giddy. Kelly, I loved this box. Thank you so stinking much. Like, I mean, obviously it's hard because like this is like the biggest gift, and it's so cute, and it's just so colorful and gorgeous and practical, and I needed a backpack, so like, oh my god, I wonder if she was thinking this could be for Disney World too. I don't know if I want to bring my brand new backpack to Disney World because like that makes me nervous, but oh my god, it's so cute. Anyway, but honest to god, like I think the Hocus Pocus stuff just kicked my butt because I don't know, I forgot what I put on my questionnaire and I wasn't expecting to get Hocus Pocus stuff. Oh my god, baby Pegasus. And then like the Meg art, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Kelly, you seriously, girl, you kicked my butt. Like thank you so much. This was so much fun. Sammy, thank you so much for organizing this. I had a blast putting my box together and opening this one because oh my goodness, was this so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go give Kelly a thumbs up on her video, leave her a comment, and just say that, you know, you saw my box and wow, she knocked it out of the park, because obviously she did. And be sure to go check out everybody else in this swap. This was a fun one. Like, it was just a very different, like, idea for a swap. I know that I say that a lot, but it was like, it's not just sending a box that's, you know, like for a holiday. It had like a theme. I don't know, I'm gonna stop talking because I'm like not making any sense. But thank you so much again to Kelly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I so appreciate your support of my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming and watching and just being supportive of my channel and my friends here on YouTube. I really appreciate it. If you would like to see more content from me, please be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I next upload. And yeah, after this video ends, go check out the rest of them. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.